Hello everyone, welcome back. There is an important update for TCS candidates who have been waiting for the results and offer letters for several months. TCS has started rolling out the updates, including results and offer letters, and some candidates who have been waiting for a long time are finally seeing movements in their TCS NextStep portal. So, if you are one of those candidates who have been waiting for 2 to 3 or even more months, please don't lose hopes just because there has been no update on your portal yet. Let me show you one of the candidates timeline because this give us a good idea of how long some candidates have been waiting. According to this screenshot, the candidates first registered on the TCS portal on 16th of October 2024, and the applied for drive status got updated on 10th of March, and application received was updated on 20th of April, and batched was updated on 5th of May, and the offer letter was generated on 13th of August. After 3 to 4 months of gap, he received the offer letter. Okay, so 3 to 4 months. See, you can calculate May, June, July, August. Okay, 3 4 months. Okay, he received the offer letter. On the same date, he accepted the offer letter, that is on 13th of August, right? So this is a very important example for candidates who are currently seeing a status such as batched and are worried because they haven't received their offer letter yet. So a long period waiting doesn't necessarily means that you have been rejected. In many cases, companies are taking considerable time to process the candidates, especially when there are multiple batches, locations, business requirements, and onboarding schedule involved. So until you receive official rejection or your portal status changes accordingly, don't assume that you are rejected just because you are waiting. Okay, now coming to the locations where updates are currently being noticed. Okay, candidates who interviewed for the locations such as the Hyderabad and Vijayawada are reportedly seeing offer related updates. Okay, this doesn't mean that only these candidate who are from these locations will receive the updates. Okay, other locations can also start receiving the updates as per the process get continues. Okay, so if your interview location is in different thing, don't panic. Okay, keep monitoring your status because updates can happen in the batches, right? Now what we should check. Okay, that you have to continuously monitor the TCS NextStep portal. Okay, check your registered email, and don't miss the spam and junk folders also. Please check those things also. If you are waiting for a long time and there has been absolutely no movement, you can also try contacting TCS support. Okay, raise a support ticket and contact TCS support, and TCS is currently responding to the supported queries, so you have to do the mail. Okay, I want everyone watching this video to share their status in the comments. Please mention your current TCS next step status, your interview date, and your interview location. For example, if your status is currently batched, mention that in the comments along with your interview data and location. This will help other candidates compare their timelines and understand whether updates are moving to their particular batches or location. Okay, so if you are still waiting for your TCS results or offer letter, don't lose hopes. Okay, keep checking the TCS Next Step portal and registered email and your spam folders regularly. And remember, just because you have been waiting for several months doesn't automatically mean that you have been rejected. Okay, don't lose hopes. That's all the this update. Okay, if you have received your TCS offer letter recently, congratulations. And if you are still waiting, let us know your status in the comments. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your TCS journey. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.